Hello everybody. Today we're going to look at the next two cursive letters. We're going to look at the Q and then we're going to look at the R. Let's look at the Q first. Last week you did the O and the Q is very similar to the O. So you're going to start and do the same thing that you did for the O. Remember, it doesn't close up there. And then the only extra thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the belly button and you're going to do an up, down, up. Okay, so let's have a look here. Please remember to write the date and the heading, which is writing in cursive. When you do your cursive, you either need to be doing your dots or your line 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, for the capital letters we use line 1 and 2, and for the babies their tummies are always in a line 2. So if we do the qua, we do it just like we'd be doing the O. Remember, it doesn't join there. And then you go to the belly button, which is in the middle of that line 2, and you go up a little bitty, then down and up. Then we already know how to do the small qua. It's like the ocean pattern. You go to the 2 o'clock, you come back, you close up, touch down, it's got a long tail, lift off. So you go to the 2 o'clock, come back, close up, remember that little stick, touch down, lift off. So it goes into that line 1 with its tail. And then you alternate. Big baby, all the way to the end. Then we've got Q, U. All the way this time. Q, U, Q, U. And the reason why we're practicing an A connected to a qua is because an A always follows a qua when we are writing words. So let's have a look. Go to the 2 o'clock, come back, stick, touch down, lift off, then you make your cup, touch down, lift off. Remember the A has that touch down, lift off. And you do a whole row like that. Then this says, hope you've tried already. It says quiet, quails, which is a type of little bird, question, queens. Quiet, quails, question, queens. So my capital qua needs to go into this line 1 here. So they're going to bump almost, but that's fine. The U, I, E, T. Now don't forget when you've finished, what must you do? Cross the T, dot the I. Okay, quiet, quails, don't forget to dot the I, question, focus on one letter at a time. S, T, E, R, remember the little lip for the R, and then the N, go back, dot, cross, question, queens, full stop. Then you're going to do a pattern of quas in a color, please. Patterns are always done in a dot line. It's got a long tail. And try not to lift this crayon until you get to the end. Go all the way to the end. Then you need to rule off. You must rule off on the tail of those quas, or line number 1. Okay. Then we're going to have a look at the R now. You don't need to write the date or the heading again. We're just going to carry on with our dots. All right. Now, the capital R starts here and it goes up, down. Travel back up that line. Make your first bump. Now we're going to do a back flip like an aeroplane. Touchdown. Lift off. So, it's a capital. So we start in a line number 1 or a non-dot line. Your joining spot, up, down. Travel back up. Make your first big circle. Curl in. Almost like a P. Looks like a P. But I'm going to do my back flip. Touchdown. Lift off. Okay, and then baby R, that little lip, capital, baby, and you alternate until the end of your line. Then we're going to do R-E, R-G, R-K, R-O, R-I, R-Y, R-C. Just realized my dots are in the wrong place, yeah? Skip one here. Here we go. First one, R-E, R-G, R-K, R-O, R-I, R-Y. If you can't fit the last one in, go to the next line. R-C. Just like that. Now for the sentence, don't start here, start a new line. Let's see, what does it say? Roving rabbits run in rain. So let's actually do our capital in color for the sentence. Remember, a V has the little lip. Don't forget now to go dot it. Roving, double B here, cross dot, run in rain. And I'm going to do a full stop in color. Would have been a good idea to do that here as well. And my core. And then you're going to do a pattern of R's all together. Down, lip, down, lip, down, lip, down, lip. And you carry on until the end of your line. And don't forget to rule off. Good job. Until next time, bye-bye.